Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I have here this wonderful recipe. This is Edikang Ikong soup special, a meal to present during occasion. And Edikang Ikong soup is one of the most popular soup prepared in Akwa Ibom land during occasions. Whatever occasion you have, this soup is being prepared for people to eat. So as you can see, we have here several ingredients that are being put together to give you this wonderful soup, which I am going to be showing you the ingredients used and how this is done. So let's go there while you enjoy watching this and also learn how to prepare this. So if this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos because Ukeme TV will keep giving you varieties. Let's go there. So here is the vegetable, the pumpkin leaf. You see, for vegetable you have to slice it very tiny. So we've sliced it after washing it. And also, here is the water leaf, fresh, in a pot. I've just put it inside the pot. So you know what water leaf gives in the body? The vegetable and water leaf gives real blood. If you were having shortage of blood, you should eat lots of vegetable soup. That is the pumpkin and water leaf vegetable known as Edikang Ikong. Yeah. I also have here, this is crayfish, well pounded, chopped onions, and you know now my dry catfish, and also here is stockfish. And in today's soup I am going to be putting periwinkle in the Edikang Ikong soup. This is gonna be a wonderful meal. Yeah, so now let's go there as you see how I'll be mixing everything in the pot. Mind you, if this is your first time in my channel, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to mine. If this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. So let's go there. Mixing starts. Yep. So first thing for you to do is to heat your water leaf. You can see in my own way, as the water leaf is on the fire, I'm going to be adding a little pinch of salt and little pinch of Maggi inside. Yeah, so here is Maggi. I'm putting that while the vegetable is fresh. The reason for putting this Maggi is because I want it to have taste from when it's boiling. Noise maker. And also, you've seen me adding salt. I will have to stir this pot, allow it to mix together. This is it. Yeah, so now I will be covering the spots just for a little while before I come and add fish, crayfish, and everything I need to put. Yep, you can see that this has started boiling. So now I will have to add the crayfish inside the pot. Also the periwinkle inside the pot. Yeah, I want to prepare a Edikang Ikong soup. For those of you who don't know how to prepare Edikang Ikong soup, this is what it looks like. Also, I have stockfish I'll be adding inside the pot. Correct stockfish. And you know, stockfish has different types. They have the ones that are bony and the one that has flesh. Yeah, and you know now, the farm industry, the catfish. So now I am gonna stir the pot. Yeah, so I'll stir the pot and allow this to heat very well. For now, I've not added water because I want the water leaf to generate its own water first. After generating its own water, you will now see the quantity of water to be added in your pots. Yeah, so I'll be covering the pot back still. Yeah. Alright, the soup has generated its own water. Now I'll just be adding little quantity of water. Just little, you know. Now I'll be adding palm oil also. You can see that the pot is still very dried, as if nothing like water is inside. Yeah, so this is Edikang Ikong. And I'll cover the pot and allow this to steam very well. Yeah, beautiful people. Yeah, so now it's time for me to add vegetable inside the pot. Yeah, so this is pumpkin leaf. Yeah, so I haven't added that now. You can see how it is unique. I am now going to be allowing this to heat very well, not turning the pot yet. And there's one thing people don't know, which is another wonderful method of preparing your Edikang Ikong. What gives it more flavor and natural flavor? Here is chopped onions. You sprinkle it on top of your soup and then cover your pot. This is gonna give you a wonderful taste of the soup. People don't know. Some people normally say, no, you're not to put onions. No, those fresh onions at the end then gives the food a wonderful flavor in case you're cooking for an event. Yes, so let me cover the pot, and in less than 3 minutes I'll be opening the pot again and stir it for you to see. Correct Edikang Ikong soup is ready. Even from the pot, you will see what's happening here. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful soup with lots of obstacles inside the pot. This is what you can eat this with: fufu, gari, semovita, wheat. You can even eat it with your rice. This is called Edikang Ikong soup. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.